Hello, boss and Davis.
Today, I came to Abu Dhabi. The United Arab Emirates. Behind me is a stone factory that has been in business. Stone material, marble factory. Today, I am honored to come here to install a piece of equipment. Let's take a look at the installation of a bridge crane and the installation. Let's go.
Let's start to debug our camera. To debug our camera and take a look.
Now it's 56 seconds. 56. Okay. Here, photo.
Let's check the time. It's all Eddie Nunn in Abu Dhabi. It's almost 11 o'clock. Due to the schedule, today's installation is over. The installation today has been completed. Although it was a bit rushed, but it was still successfully completed. All the installation work has been completed. We are very grateful for the customers' on-site cooperation. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.